Good morning, kids. Jai Swaminarayan. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great and you all are fine at your home. So, today we are going to start with a new lecture with a new day. So, let's start our beautiful day with a new or lovely thought. Let's see. Our today's thought is the best way to predict your future is to create it. It's a very important and deep thought. Now, what does it mean? It means कि सबसे अच्छा तरीका आपका फ्यूचर जानने का है कि आप उसे क्रिएट करें. हम प्रेडिक्शंस करते हैं कि मेरा फ्यूचर ऐसा हो, आई वॉन्ट टू बी दिस, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम दिस, मेरा ये फ्यूचर हो, मैं ऐसा चाहती हूँ. बट ऐसा होना, प्रिडिक्ट करना, कुछ आगे के लिए सोचना, वो सबसे उससे भी बेस्ट क्या हो सकता है कि हम उसे क्रिएट करें, हम उसे बनाएं. राइट. सो ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर, प्रिडिक्ट फ्यूचर करने से हमें क्रिएट करना चाहिए. सो रिमेम्बर दिस थॉट एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर डे विद दिस लव. गुड मॉर्निंग किड्स. जय स्वामीनारायण. रिमूव योर ग्रामर टेक्स्ट बुक, page number 17. Right, on 17 page we have done till these. So we are going to start with new topic or continue the same chapter number 4, 1 and many. So let's start. So we are going to write, let's perfect it. We have to look around your classroom, choose any 5 nouns and write them in the singular and plural numbers. To complete this sentence, one has been done for you. This is a desk. These are desk. यहाँ पे हमें plural singular लिखना है and in this dash we have to write the plural of that word. So this is a pen. These are pens. So turn the page to page 18. This is a box. These are boxes. Here is a fruit. Here are some fruits. I can see a chalk. I can see many chalks. Look at the light. Look at the lights. Right. Now, B1. Fill in the blank with the plural form of the noun given in the bracket. That आपको यहाँ पे जो bracket में word दिया है, you have to write their plural in the dash. So that the dash boy have dash apple. तो boy का क्या हो जाएगा plural? It will become boys. Apple will become apples. So finally the boys have apples. The dash are jumping bear. The bears are jumping. Please pass me the dash plate. So we will write plates. My dash are dirty. Foot है तो we will write feet. My feet are dirty. These are red dash tomatoes, so will become tomatoes. So these are red tomatoes. The dash are crying child. The plural of child is children. The children are crying. Look at the dash baby. So y हट के ies लग जाएगा. That will become babies. Look at the babies. The dash are flying dash. So girl का plural है girls and kite का plural है kites. So the girls are flying kites. Right kids? Now number C. So underline the correct plural form to complete the given sentence. ये दोनों आपको plural दिए हैं but one spelling is correct and another one is wrong. So we have to underline it. So let's see. There are many flowers in my garden. So this spelling is wrong. flowers. This is wrong. ये e नहीं आता है. So we will underline the right plural, flowers. We should listen to our parents. So this spelling is right. This is parentees. Our teachers organize a puppet show for us. Again, this spelling is correct. So we will underline this. The windows in that building were blue. Windows, but only S can be added, not ES. We saw wolves or wolves at the zoo. So the plural of wolf is wolves. F हट के VES लगता है. So this is the right spelling. This is the right plural of wolf. Their foots were muddy after the walk. तो feet होते हैं या foots होते हैं. Foot का plural is feet. So feet we will underline. The rabbits had radishes to eat. So the radish spelling is this one correct. Radishes. There are many puppies on this street. So puppies को y होता है last में, puppy को. So y हट के ies add हो जाता है. So this spelling is right. flies are hard to catch. So y हट के again ies add होता है. So this flies spelling is correct. This book has good stories. So the spelling this is correct. Again the y हट के ies लगता है. So here we have completed our chapter. So on a new page, that is page 19, let's read the question out. So this is a comprehension. Look at the picture, then complete the sentences that follows. Add s or es when you write nouns that are more than 1 in number. So जो noun 1 in number है, numbers हैं, तो we have to write the nouns and we have to add s or es as per the word. So look at the beautiful picture, right? Let's start with it. This is a forest, right? एक ही forest है तो we will write forest. There are dash in the water. तो water में क्या है? Ducks. The dash are on the dash of the trees. So we can write monkeys, है ना? बहुत सारे हैं. The monkeys are on the branches of the trees. There are dash of different colors. So हमने ये यहाँ पे लिखे हैं birds को देख के. So there are birds of different colors. The dash looks happy standing in the water. So who are standing in the water? The elephants. The elephants look happy standing in the water. There are white dash in the sky. White क्या है sky में? So there are clouds. Okay, so on the new page, on page number 20, there is a let's build words. This we will do in the notebook and this you have to do it on your own. This is your HW. So B1 is HW, right? And here the C1 is also the HW. What is in that? I'll explain you. Okay, so these are the same letter. Sun yani beta. SUN sun means Suraj. Same way there are two again. WON1 and ONE1. So this one means Jeetna and this one means number 1. So this way the similar sounding words are given here and you have to find out which one is the correct and which you have to put where in the fill in the blank. Here the underlined words are given. You have to write the opposite genders. We have done genders a lot, so you have to do it on your own. Suppose this is the prince. The opposite gender you have to write princess. Girl, boy. Grandfather, grandmother. Okay, so only this much you have to write it on your own. This is your homework. And wait for the next video. I will send you the chapter 5 adjectives explanation. Till that, stay safe, take care and goodbye.